The toy park!
Welcome to the toy park, everyone. Ooh, who are these guys? This is Olaf and Princess Elsa. What have we got to do today? Let's look around. Wow, there's so many Shopkins over there, Olaf looks. We've got so many different types of Shopkins. I can see donuts, white donuts, and I can see all sorts of sweeties over there. Wow, what an amazing supermarket this is. Isn't it, Olaf? That's right. Let's go get some shopping, Elsa. Shall we? Alrighty. So we need to go get some shopping basket, or maybe we can go with a shopping trolley. That's right, a shopping trolley. Oh look, we've already got a shopping backpacks over here. Maybe we can just buy this and then we can bring it home later and open it later. What do you think, Olaf? I'm fine by me. Let's see, what do we got in there? We've run out of toilet rolls. Okay, well, let's see, we've got some here. Over here we have these look like some sort of drinks. What do you think, Olaf? Do you want to drink this? It looks like it's some pop soda. Yeah, it's quite hot at the moment, so yeah, let's get a couple of those. But there's only one, Olaf. Alright, well, let's get this then. So let's put it in the trolley. Let's see what else is in there. This looks like a sweetie treat. Let's take a look. Let's take out the collector's guide and see what she is. Let's see if we can find the sweeties. I think it's not right here. It's not in the apple pie. It's not in the cookie section. It's not in the honey lemon tea section. Where would it be? Well, it's not quite in here. I can't find her. Strawberry pancakes. No. Right, if we can't find her, maybe we should try her. Maybe it's something new. Look like a muffin. Let's put her in the shopping trolley. Now, Olaf, is there something you need? Let me take a pic. There is... I'm gonna go for the donut. The donut? We have two donuts here. There is... Oh, there's only one donut. This one is the only one donut. And it looks so yummy, Olaf. It's a chocolate donut with some pink icing on top of it. And the icing is in heart shapes. Oh, she looks so yummy. Let's put her in the shopping trolley. Okay. Well, that's going to be a dessert after lunch. Let's see. We will be needing over here. That's right. That's what we need. Some toilet rolls. Let's just get one of those for now. What else do we need? Olaf, you've run out of some bath soap. Let's get this one. It looks like it's going to smell like mint, because it's green. Wow. Olaf, our shopping cart is almost full. Do you need anything else? Well, actually it's quite hot in these days, so, let's just grab an ice cream. This ice cream, Olaf, looks yummy. I would like to have that this evening, because it's got brown ice cream. I guess it's chocolate flavor, and the biscuit in the bottom is pink, so I guess it's strawberry flavored. Wow, that looks so yummy, Olaf. I really wanted one of these. Let's see if I can get another one. Oh, Olaf, there's only one left. Well, it's okay, Elsa. You can have that one, and I can have, let's see, the French toast over there. Ooh, that's very nice of you, Olaf. Well, if you like French toast, then you can have the French toast, and then I'll have the ice cream, because I really like the ice cream. Thank you so much, Olaf. You're welcome, Princess Elsa. Don't you need a drink? Oh yeah, you're right, I do need a drink. What should I have this evening? Ah, there is another tin of pop soda here. Let's get one of these as well. Look, we still got some space left in the shopping cart. Oh, that's right. Let's see, what else do we need? What about some juice? I think we definitely need some juice. You know, we're drinking too much sodas, Olaf. You've got a point there, Princess Elsa. Let's see if we can find some juice. Oh, there you go. There's some juice over there. Oh, here. Wow, what is this? This is... It's got banana picture on it. So I guess it's a banana flavored juice. Or banana juice. I'd go for that. Sounds so healthy, Olaf. That's right. Well, let's have some of that for brekkie tomorrow. Okay. Right, Princess Elsa. Any other stuff you need? Well, let's look around. Ah. For lunch, maybe I would have some noodle. I'm getting hungry now. Let's get one of these too. What about you, Olaf? Is there anything you want to eat? Well, I think I'm just gonna have some crackers over there. So, Olaf, there's the crackers for you. Put it in the shopping cart. Oh, you know, we got all sorts of, muffin and donuts. I think we need some whipped cream. Oh yeah, you're right, Olaf. They taste yummy with whipped cream, don't they? So let's get some whipped cream. This one, it's got purple packaging. And it said whip. Wow, it looks so fluffy. Let's get one of these. Cool. Look, Olaf, our shopping cart is so full. You're right, Princess Elsa. I don't think we can carry any more stuff. So, well, let's get one more item and then let's go home and unpack these goodies. Sure. Let's go for something healthier. Oh, there's a banana right there. Let's get the banana. Oh. There you go. We got banana for breakfast tomorrow. And some afternoon snacks. Cool. Right. I think it's time to go to the checkout. Hey, hey. Wow, we're lucky we didn't even have to line up, Olaf. That's right. Ooh, look at that cash register. It's got our pictures on it. Look at you, Princess Elsa. There's a photo of you and Princess Anna. Let's see. Over here. Oh, that's a photo of me over there. Right, let's check this thing out. It's a self-service cash register. Let's see if we know how this works, Princess Elsa. Okay. Let's just see if this is going to work. Because it's our first time using a self-service cash register. Princess Elsa, I think you will be better doing this, so I'll let you do it. Okay, Olaf, no problem. So we have here the Shopkins backpacks. Let's key in. Oh look, there's a welcomes button.
Welcome!
It said welcome!
Thank you!
Ooh! And over here we got a handle. Oh, look, Olaf, it's got your photo on it. Hello! Cool! Hello, Mr. Olaf, we are looking for you. That's right. Let's see. This is $35. So let's press 3, 5. Thank you. Okay. So let's put this over here in a basket. In a bigger trolley actually. And what's the next item, Olaf? It's the banana. Let's see. Wow, let's take a look. This is $8. Okay, that's done. Let's put it over there. And the banana juice. This is 15. That's it, that's done. The crackers. Oh look, it said there's a promotion buying crackers and we get to have the whipped cream for free. So let's do them together. The crackers is $30. And then plus 0 for the whipped cream. Cool. Let's put them in the basket. What's next, Olaf? There's my noodle. And oh, what are you having for lunch? Oh, Princess Elsa, good reminder. I actually forgotten completely. So, oh, there you go. There is a sausage right here. So I'm going to get some of that too. Okay, Olaf. So these is $20 plus $15, total $35. So that's 15.
Which is the best one to buy?
20 equal. Woohoo! that's a really cool register because it can even sing. Right.
Thank you.
That's done. Let's put them over there in the basket. I think we should do the ice cream together with the donut. It's all those sweeties, and of course there's your French toast, Olaf. So the French toast was 15.
Wait in the
Then
bed, won't you buy?
ice cream, $10.
Wait in the bed, won't you buy?
And then the donut is 15.
Thank you.
All done. Let's put them over there on the side into the basket. Okay, now it's time for the frizzy pop. We had 2, one for you, Olaf, and one for me. Cool. Right, so these are $10 each. So that means they are 20, right, Olaf? Am I right? That's right, Princess Elsa. You're pretty good at calculating. So let's press 20.
Thank you.
These are done. Oh, and now dessert for the evening. We got the muffin. This one is 15.
Thank you.
These are done too. Wow, look, our trolley, it's almost full, but it's a huge trolley, that's why we still got loads of space, Olaf. Awesome. There's only 2 items left. There is toilet rolls and your bath soap, Olaf. Let's put them in together. The bath soap was 25. Plus
Wait in the bed, won't you buy?
the toilet roll for $5. Then
Thank you.
right, I think that should be everything, right, Olaf? That's right, Princess Elsa. So there. Oh, look, there's a receipt here. It said that's a total of $250. Right, I'm not sure if I have enough money for this because I got only $20, $100, and $50 in my pocket, Olaf. So it's a total of $170. I don't think I have enough money. Oh, but I've got a card. Let's use our credit card. Ooh. You made a noise.
Welcome.
Let's swipe it.
Thank you.
Oops, I think it's done. Oh, and we need to take a receipt. Okay, we got one already over there. Right. I think that's all. Well done, Princess Elsa. I knew it wouldn't be any problem for you using the self-service cash register machine. Anyway, let's head home and unpack our stuff, then we can have lunch. Thank you for watching the Toy Park, guys. Bye.